In Lesson 12.3, we'll be preparing payroll records. Prepare a payroll register and prepare employee earnings records. A payroll register summarizes the earnings, deductions, and net pay of all employees for one pay period. This shows a payroll register. Put the pay period date, payment date, which doesn't necessarily mean it's the same date as the pay period date, employee personal data, earnings, federal income tax, Social Security tax, Medicare tax, health insurance, retirement plan, total deductions, net pay. Then you have to total and prove and rule the payroll register. And then you would put the check number of the check that was written to each employee. A business form used to record details of an employee's earnings and deductions is called an employee earnings record. You would have a separate earnings record for each employee. You put the last day of the quarter, employee personal data, beginning accumulated earnings for the quarter. You would list the pay period. In this case, it's from the December 15th pay period. All of the earnings and deductions and net pay. Updated accumulated earnings. The accumulated earnings are the previous accumulated earnings plus the total earnings, not the net pay. Then you would total and prove the quarterly totals. What does the payroll register summarize? The payroll register summarizes the payroll for one pay period and shows total earnings, payroll withholdings, and net pay for all employees. How is net pay calculated? By subtracting total deductions from total earnings. Why do companies complete employee earnings records? Because a business must send quarterly and annual reports to federal and state governments showing employee taxable earnings and taxes withheld from employee earnings.